Hello and welcome in our All About Computer channel. Hello, hello and welcome in our All About Computer channel. Here in this channel, we will discuss all the topic and concept about computer science and IT. This channel is very beneficial for all the students who are studying computer science and IT subjects. So for today's lecture, we are discussing Java programming language. So let us start Java tutorial. We choose this topic because Java is a very popular language and is widely used programming language. So from today we will discuss about Java. In this today's tutorial, we first see what is Java, then after history of Java, then we will discuss about the creator who creates the Java, and we will take a look what will you get on our next tutorial. So now let's start about what is Java. Java is object-oriented programming. Why we call it as object-oriented programming? Because Java has various features that the object-oriented programming in object-oriented programming, the focus of a program is on objects. In object-oriented programming, the problem decomposes into number of entities that called as objects. Java is an system independent programming, or we can say it as a platform independent programming, because a program written in on any system can be run without any modification on another system. It is possible because the Java virtual machine. So we can say that it is a system independent or platform independent system or programming. Java is most widely used programming because Java has different facilities for developers, users. So it is more popular and many people are using this programming. Billions of developers are currently using this Java programming to develop their softwares. Now take a look of history of Java. In 1990, Sun Microsystem started a project. They want to develop software for the consumer electronic devices. So they form a team of 3 persons. These 3 are James Gosling, Mike Sheridan and Patrick Norton. These 3 people are working for that green project of Sun Microsystem. So they started searching which programming they use for the develop their softwares for consumer electronics. James Gosling found that the C++ is a programming language that can be used for this, but they found that there is a various drawback of C++. So they want to create a simple software so that everyone can be use it. So they starting develop a new language, and in 1991 they create a new language and they name it as Oak. The name Oak was already registered for another company, so James Gosling not get that name, and they need to change this name of that programming. They give the name to that programming is Java. So the Java is created in 1991. In 1994, Java based web browser. Initially its name was WebRunner, then it renamed as Hot Java was developed that can execute an applets. Applets are the programs that can be run on the internet. On January 23rd, 1996, the first version of Java Development Kit was released. Then take a look of creators of the Java. James Gosling, Mike Sheridan and Patrick Norton was there in Sun Microsystems Green project. James Gosling created this new language for the project Green of Sun Microsystem. Mike Sheridan was a team member of a Green project. He was in the project for business development of that Green project. Patrick Norton was there, and he created the graphic system for this Green project. So friends, now we will take a look what will you get on our next tutorial. In the next tutorial we will discuss about JDK and how it can be installed on your system. Then after, we need an IDE to run and write our applications, our Java applications. For that purpose we will use Eclipse to run and write our applications, and then after we will run our first application by using Eclipse. So friends, if you like this tutorial, then please share, subscribe and press the bell icon for you will get the notifications when we upload our new videos. Thank you.